The next classification is sheet lamination, or we can also call it as the laminated object manufacturing. So what is this? It is a relatively low cost prototyping technology where the thin slices of material, usually additively coated paper, plastics or metal, are successively glued together to form the 3D shape. So if you look at the process, see here, there are uh, the two rollers to control the supply of this paper with heat activated glue to building platform. Okay, so when new paper is in the position, it is flattened, it is get flattened and added to the previously coated or created layer using this heated roller. Once the shape of the new layer is traced, see, once the shape of the new layer is traced and cut by the blade, or see, blade or this laser, it's cut by this laser, and when the new layer is completed, the building platform, this is a building platform, you can see, is going to descend and new paper is added or supplied. Okay, so when the paper is in position, the platform moves back up, so the new layer can be glued to the existing stack, and the process is getting repeated again and again. Okay, so this is the laminated object manufacturing or sheet lamination. And the last classification we are having, that is material extrusion. So this technology can be viewed or visualized as similar to the cake icing. The material content in the reservoir is forced out through a nozzle when the pressure is applied. So since the material is extruded, the additive manufacturing machine must be capable of scanning in horizontal plane and starting and stopping of the flow material while scanning. So basically there are two approaches in this process. One is used to or use the temperature as a way of controlling the material state, and the other is using the chemical change to cause the solidification. So in this chemical change, the curing agent, the residual solvents, the reaction with the air, or simply drying of a wet material permits the bonding between these layers to occur. Okay, so if you look at the basic principles, definitely I will explain this diagram. So please see basic principles. So it is like a extrusion process. So loading of the material, the liquefaction of the material, the application of pressure to move the material through the nozzle, then the extrusion process, then plotting according to the predefined path in controlled manner, then bonding of material to itself or a secondary build material to form the coherent solid structure, and the inclusion of support structure to enable the complex geometrical features. These are the basic principles of this material extrusion. So here, see, the slooped polymer are extruded or drawn through this heated nozzle, see, which is mounted at the tip or on the movable arm. Okay, and we are supplying this hot filament material. So nozzle moves here horizontally. See, this nozzle is moves here in horizontal plane, this xy. Okay, while the bed is moving vertically. Bed is moving. This is a blade or platform. It's moving vertically, allowing the melted material to build. Is allowing melted material to build layer after layer. Okay. So the proper adhesion between the layers occurs through the precise temperature control or the As I told you, use the chemical bonding agent. So it is like the extrusion process, and the name of this classification is material extrusion.